Hey guys, for those of you who do not know, I am traveling the United States in my Subaru. That's why there's some stuff hanging. But anyways, I'm gonna see how it is to receive a package on the road. So I just ordered a package on eBay, and what I did, well, I know I'm heading to Maine. Right now I'm in Massachusetts. So what I did was I got the package shipped to a post office in Maine. Today is September 10th, and I should be receiving the package on September 17th. What I did was I called this certain post office in Maine. I asked them if it was going to be okay if I got a package shipped to them, and she said as long as I include general delivery, everything should be fine. You know, my normal name and then their address. So we're gonna see how it is, or how this whole thing is, because it's a new experience for me, and maybe if you're watching, you might want to get a package shipped to you while you're on the road. Everything should turn out fine. I'm just not used to all this. I've never had to do this before, so it's kind of interesting, and I want to see how everything goes. Also, it's kind of cool to document me getting a package shipped for some reason. All right, well, I am gonna go to Cape Cod. I'm gonna spend a couple days there, and then I'm gonna go to Maine. I'm gonna see you guys in about 7 days when I go to the post office to hopefully pick this package up. So I will see you then. Last time we talked, I was in Massachusetts somewhere right before Cape Cod. Today is September 14th, and I am heading to pick up my package here in Acadia, Maine. I had it shipped over here, so we're gonna see if it actually did get shipped. I don't know. I've never had to ship my package anywhere else. This whole video is just trying to see if it ends up working out. So I'm almost to the post office here, and I will see if I have my package. You can order stuff from eBay and ship it to different states. That's pretty cool. I didn't know you could do that. It would probably help if you called the postal service before you send your package to make sure, double check, but I'm pretty sure it'll work for any postal service in the United States. That's at least what the lady said. I'm gonna go explore this little town here in Maine. It looks pretty sweet. And tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early and I'm gonna go to Acadia National Park. That looks pretty damn cool. That's the whole reason why I came to Maine. So I'll see you guys in the next video.